A very simple but important concept in section 2.1 is the idea of cardinality. The number of elements in a set is the cardinality of the set. It is a measure of the size of the set, or a count of the number of elements in the set. The cardinal number of a set A is denoted N of A. Cardinality will be very important when we approach the study of probability. Being able to figure out how many elements in a set will affect our ability to calculate the probability of an event occurring. Example 10. Determine the cardinal number of each of the following sets. C is the set of all x such that x is a month that begins with M. When I'm finding the cardinal number of a set, or N of C, I need to figure out how many elements belong to that set. This particular set is listed in set builder notation, but I'm going to rewrite it in roster notation so I can see the individual elements. Let's think of all the months that begin with M. January, February, we can start with March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I think that's it. So it looks like the cardinal number of set C is 2 because it only contains 2 elements. The set D equals the set containing 5. We want to find the cardinal number of D. At first glance, our brain wants to say 5, but this particular set given in roster notation only has one element, and it is the word 5. So the cardinal number of this set is 1. Look at example C. The set E equals the set containing the letters F, I, V, and E. You can see how important the commas are to roster notation because they separate the elements. The cardinal number of set E then is 4 because it contains 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. So again, set D has one word, one element, so its cardinal number is 1, whereas set E has 1, 2, 3, 4 different elements separated by commas, therefore its cardinal number is 4. How about the next one? Can you figure out the cardinal number of the empty set? How many elements does the empty set contain? Hopefully you said 0. The empty set is a set with no elements. And finally, the cardinal number of the natural numbers. Remember, the natural numbers are the counting numbers. If we want to count the counting numbers, we would start with 1 and then go to 2, 3, 4, 5, and we would continue counting forever. So this is a cardinal number that is infinite. We can use the infinity symbol here to represent the idea that this is an infinite set. So again, cardinality, denoted N of A, or N of the set, is simply the number of elements contained in that set. Aside from learning the notation, it's a pretty simple concept.